Hello and warm welcome to my YouTube channel. This is L from LYF and we're going to learn Photoshop completely out of charge, completely free, and in a very professional way. So let me mention that no matter what you do with Photoshop, maybe you're a photographer, maybe you're a logo designer. Of course, Photoshop is not for designing logos, but who knows, maybe you're a designer. Maybe you retouch photos, maybe you're an editor. So this course is for Photoshop and all you can do with it, no matter what you do. So grab a pencil, grab a notebook, your laptop, and Photoshop. Don't forget to take notes, and practice makes perfect. Like, comment, and subscribe my channel. So without the waste of time, let's get started.